Physics, the study of matter, energy, and the fundamental laws of the universe. It's a subject that has fascinated people for centuries, but it's also one that can be incredibly challenging to learn. Physics is not a subject to be studied, it's a way of thinking about the world. So, how can you learn physics? Here are some tips that will help you on your journey. Tip number 1. Experiment. Physics is a hands-on subject. You can truly understand it without getting your hands dirty. Do experiments, make mistakes, and learn from them. But don't stop at the experiment itself. Think about why it worked or it didn't work. What could have been done differently and how it relates to the theory you are studying. Tip number 2. Observe. Physics is all around us, from the motion of the stars to the way water flows in rivers. Observe the world and look for the underlying physics principle that governs it. But don't just stop at observing. Ask questions, seek answers, and make connections between what you see and what you are learning. Tip number 3. Read. Physics is a vast and complex subject that you can't learn it all through experiments and observations alone. Read textbooks, scientific journals, and popular science books to deepen your understanding. But don't just read to memorize equations and formulas. Read to understand the concepts behind them and see how they fit into the bigger picture of physics. Tip number 4. Reflect. Physics is not just about learning facts and formulas, it's about understanding the world and our place in it. Take time to reflect on what you are learning and how it connects to the bigger picture. But don't just reflect on your own. Talk to others, seek out mentors, and join a community of people who are passionate about physics. Do you know what am I talking about? Learning physics is not easy, but it's worth it. By experimenting, observing, reading, reflecting, and connecting, you'll not only learn the subject, but also gain a deeper understanding of the world around you. So keep going, keep learning, and never stop asking questions. Because as Einstein once said, the most important thing is not to stop questioning.